guys, you're hanging with Helen. Welcome to my bathroom. In this current climate where we're all kind of staying home and hairdressing is an option but we don't know for how long we can go, I thought I'd show you how I take my hair from this. Let me show you. My a la natural frizz to this. So this is my natural hair and my natural face. I've literally got no makeup on today either. I don't mind my curl every now and again, but it is quite unmanageable, and every day I have to put more product in it to get it to have a nice little bit of curl. So sometimes I like to kind of smooth out my hair so that I can manage it more effectively every day. I can wake up, put a brush through it. I cannot put a brush through this. So if you'd like to find out how I do that, then follow me, stay tuned. I'm going to take you through the process. I washed my hair last night, fresh, and then I just put a little bit of oil in it, or a little bit of treatment. Make sure that that treatment's okay with heat. That product is okay to have heat applied to it, but just a tiny little bit of oil, and then I actually let my hair dry naturally. I don't put a brush through it or anything like that, but you can dry it. You can do a bit of a blow dry if you want to, but I like it to be really, really dry, so that when I do this next process with Steam Pod, it's all good. So just to show you, I use a comb, I use these little clippy things, I use 2 hair ties, and I use this, but really you just need something pointy so that I can part my hair where I want it to be parted. And this is the amazing device that I use. I highly, highly recommend this Loreal Steam Pod. No, I'm not being paid to advertise this, but I really, really love sharing products that I believe in and that work effectively for me. So that's the Steam Pod, the amazing device that I use. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to see with the Steam Pod is that there are some little, what do you call those things? Selector dials, push buttons. What you'll see is there's some, oh, power needs to be on. What you'll see is some selectors here. So you turn it on, light goes on, and what happens is my little Steam Pod, which has got suction caps on it. Did you hear that? That's a little Steam Pod with water in it. You need to use distilled water. We actually have a machine called the Kangen machine that gives us water straight out of our tap and turns it into the appropriate water that you can use in here, and it goes into there. So that's going to take just a moment to heat up, and you'll know it's heated up because the light here will stop flashing. The other thing I do is, while that's heating up, that is really hot for my hair because my hair is quite frizzy. If you've got thick hair, you could probably leave it on that 210 setting, but I like it on the 200 setting. And it does go less than that. It goes down to 180, 170, 140. You can hear the sound it's making. That's as it's heating up. And these are those little selector dials, the on button, and I like it on 200, but it does go down even further. Let's leave it on 200. Steam it up, baby. So, section your hair, and I just tend to do it in 3 steps because I'm a little bit lazy. And I'll grab one of my hair ties, pop part of my hair up, like so, nice and pretty. And what I'm going to do is take a small section of my hair, and please keep in mind I'm the kind of person that doesn't even know how to put a ponytail up effectively and neatly, which is why I need my hairdressers, but it's desperate times, right? And I can't be at the hairdresser every single day of the week or every week in and out, so this helps me to save some money and do it at home. So all I do is take my comb and I brush through just to get rid of any of the knots in that one segment, and we are ready to go. I take my steam pot. I'm going to try to do it to camera so you can see. There's a little arrow on here which tells you which direction you need to be working in, and I'll put it nice and close. And what I like is not an absolute straight, so I give it a twirl as I'm going. And ta-ta, that's done. Then I grab the next segment. I have to look here, guys, I can't look in the camera, but you get the gist. Again, comb through. And ta-da! So, this side's nice and smooth, and this side is not. Done. So that's where the second hair tie comes in. I actually take that. I'm not skilled enough to leave that down and continue on. I am also sweating. It is really, really hot and humid today. So let's hope the end product's good. But I'm getting messages coming through. As you can see, this is not a professional video, guys. This is a do it at home job. And I am not a professional hairdresser. But if I can do it, guys, anybody can. So the next knot comes out, and again I just section that to my second layer. And remember, I only have 3 layers. And it's at this point that my hair, because it's too long, gets a nice little clip in it. Ta-da! Second layer done. So, first layer and second layer join together. There's a few little flyaways happening here, but don't worry about those until the very end. Okay, and the last bit is where I use my little pointy end just to get my part, and then I actually section just the top little part there to do last. Grab my little clippers, done, and now we will finish off the final part. So the final part I thought I'd do in real time for you. I literally just split it into 2 segments. I put one at the back. Make sure I've got it the right way. And the final part, which is kind of like my fringe, okie dokie, let's put this thing together. Right, that pretty much is it. And that took me all of 20 minutes. I've just got some oil to finish it off, smooth away any of those flyaways. Get rid of any of the loose hair. And that is done, guys. This is now so much more manageable for me. And I still feel like I've kind of walked out of a hair salon. I absolutely love my hairdressers and I love going to the hairdressers, but this does save me lots of money in between and helps me keep myself feeling good, because when my hair is messy and unmanageable, it makes me feel all over the place. Actually, this nice smooth effect, and you can do really anything with it. I can put it up. It's great. So if you've got any tips, which I'm sure everybody does because everybody has to be better with hair than what I am, pop it in the comments if you've got some tips. 20 minutes of your time. This amazing little device, the Steam Pod, has really saved me. I was never able to do it with any other straightening irons before I came across this Steam Pod. And I can brush through this every single day when I wake up. It will last a week if I want it to, and it still looks really, really fresh and smooth. So I'm going to put some makeup on and just finish this for a moment because I still have no makeup on. There we go, I'm done. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please feel free to press the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm now ready to go and do another video, a cooking video. So you've seen me in the raw, in my bathroom, transform, and yeah, feel free to leave me some comments if you've got any questions or any tips of your own, guys. Thanks for hanging with Helen. See you in the next